Hello, good afternoon, everyone. My name is N. Ajay Kumar. I am studying in Dr. S. Rajashmi College of Arts and Science. Today, my topic is professional tax. The professional tax is a tax is levied and collected by the state governments in India. The professional tax was collected only by the state government, not in the central government, due to from the salary basis from the person's salary basis of an individual or company or firm. The professional tax are liable to professional workers that are chartered accountant, company secretary, lawyer, doctor, etc. These are professional workers to pay the professional tax. The Act Constitution of India Article 276 that says the professional tax amount not exceeded is 2,500. The professional tax is. Next, we see the professional tax applicability. The professional tax was applicable in three persons that are an individual and any individual persons who are liable to pay the professional tax. And second, a Hindu undivided family. In ancient years, family has running. The family works are popular, so that have to pay the professional tax. A company, a firm, or a cooperative society, association of persons, or body of individuals, whether incorporated or not. Incorporated companies and incorporated companies are liable to pay the professional tax as a company secretary, company, firm, or any of them are professional tax as liable to pay. Next, we see maximum professional tax amount. The maximum tax amount can be calculated at 2,500 is maximum tax amount of professional tax. This professional tax is under a Section 16 of Income Tax Act. According to Section 16, Income Tax Act 1961, a professional tax is paid by an employee. The point is very important. The professional tax can paid by an employee is also as a deduction from his or his gross salary income. Many note this point. Income tax, we pay an income tax. We have deductions from the income tax amount at the professional tax. Next, we see the major Indian states and union territories which levy professional tax. The following are some Indian states and union territories where professional tax is applicable. We see 10 or 20 countries, 10 or 20 states are pay the professional tax. Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu, Assam, Kerala, Meghalaya, Tirupur, Bihar, Jharkhand, Madhya Pradesh, West Bengal, Manipur, Mizoram, Odisha, Puducherry, Sikkim, Telangana, Nagaland, Chhattisgarh, Gujarat. These are major Indian territories and states are liable to pay an professional tax. Next, we see major Indian states and union territories not levy professional tax. The following are some Indian states and union territories where no professional tax applicable, which means these countries are not pay professional tax, not able to pay professional tax. Arunachal Pradesh, Himachal Pradesh, Delhi, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Andaman and Nicobar Islands, Daman and Diu, Dadra and Nagar Haveli, Lakshadweep, Jammu and Kashmir, Punjab, Rajasthan, Chandigarh, Goa. Next, we see professional tax in Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu is one of the relatively small number of states in India. Tamil Nadu has compulsory pay a professional tax. We have noted an important point. You can pay an income tax. You can pay an income tax. You are compulsory. You pay an income tax in compulsory. You can claim the deduction from the professional tax. Next, we see the professional tax slab in Tamil Nadu for year 2020 to 2021. We see how the calculation of professional tax. First, minimum 3,500 is a basic salary of an individual. He no need to pay an professional tax. Above 12,501, he has maximum amount of professional tax he has paid in Tamil Nadu, rupees 208. He has a maximum amount of professional tax. Next we see exemptions from professional tax in Tamil Nadu. First we see we are many exemptions claimed from this professional tax. That is anyone who has above 65 years age. As a senior citizens of senior citizens in Tamil Nadu, that can exemption from professional tax be claimed. Guardians or parents children with mental disability. Any children have a mental disability in his birth. His parents can claim the exemption from professional tax. Women agents involved exclusively under the Director of Small Savings or Mahila Pradhan Keshatri Bachao Yojana. Women can use these two schemes. He has also claimed exemption from the professional tax in Tamil Nadu. We see people who have a permanent physical disability including blindness. An individual has a permanent disability. It causes from an accident or he is already in his birth. He has a physical disability or it's an accident. He has a disability including blindness. He has also claimed exemption from professional tax. Textile industry, Budley workers. The state-to-state Budley workers pay. He has only in textile industries works. He has also claim exemption from professional tax. Military personnel of the forces are as declinated under the Air Force Act 1950, the Navy Act 1957, and the Army Act 1950. The army workers, the navy workers, and the Air Force workers are also to claim the professional tax. We see in next one more state he has liable to pay a professional tax. We see the calculation of another state. The next state was professional tax in Kerala. The professional tax in Kerala comes under the purview of Kerala Panchayat Raj Rules 1966. These act under the professional tax as in Kerala. We see note this point. For salary or wages of any officer, company, or firm enterprise, or established or institution, or receiving income from deposits and those having half-yearly income are not less than rupees 12,000 must register under professional tax in Kerala. Because of half-yearly income is not less than rupees 12,000 must register under the professional tax. We see the professional tax slab in Kerala for the year 2020-2021. The minimum amount of the minimum amount of a monthly salary of an individual rupees 1,999. He has no need to pay any professional tax. The maximum the above amount of 20,834 he has liable to pay a professional tax in Kerala rupees 208. Because of this, an income is higher than the normal amount of 9,999. He has he is the least rate in we have compared Tamil Nadu and we have compared the Tamil Nadu Tamil Nadu state has a maximum calculated rupees 218 something. We see these is I think this is an easy method to calculate the professional tax. We see the professional tax slab in Kerala for a year. We see the exemption from professional tax in Kerala. We already see the Tamil Nadu peoples were anyways an exemption from professional tax. Those are also applicable in Kerala. The equal ways of Kerala peoples can also claim exemption from professional tax. Parents of children with permanent disability or mental disability. This is a main reason for This is the main reason in Tamil Nadu state and both in Tamil Nadu and Kerala, because this is the main reason for parents of children with alcohol disability or mental disability, because of his birth or birth of each child he has an mental disability in permanent. The children's parent have claimed exemption from the personal tax. Members of forces are as defined in an Army Act 1950, the Air Force Act 1950, and the Navy Act 1957, including members of auxiliary force of reserves serving in the state. Because the members of an army or Air Force and Navy, he has also exemption from personal tax, because he has saving he has service from the state and states and country. Badly workers in textile workers. Badly workers means the textile workers in the workers from one country to another country because of his poor. So the badly workers can also exemption from professional tax, particularly in the textile industry. An individual suffering from a permanent physical disability, including blindness, an individual has a form of an accident, or he is also in a birth, he has a permanent physical disability, he has also exemption from professional tax. We see the exemption from professional tax in Kerala. We already last we see the more exemptions from the Kerala people who has exemption from professional tax. Women exclusively engaged as an agent under the Mahila Pradhan Kesariya Bachchat Yojana or Director of Small Savings. These two schemes, the women can use. So he has exemption from professional tax. Parents or guardians of individuals suffering from mental disability. And individuals can suffering from a mental disability. His parents or guardians, he has also claimed the personal, also to claim. He is also to claim the professional tax. Individuals above 65 years of age, the senior citizens can also to claim the exemption from professional tax. Thank you one and all for this given opportunity to convey my thoughts in the professional tax. We see in the next seminar. Thank you.